If you've sold an item on eBay and need to send an invoice to your buyer, the process is simple and helps ensure you get paid correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send an invoice on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to request payment and include all necessary details with ease. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Selling section. From there, click on Orders or Sold Listings to view items that buyers have purchased but not yet paid for. Find the order for which you want to send an invoice. Next to the item, look for an option like Send Invoice. Click on it to open the invoice page. On the invoice screen, you can review and adjust the details before sending it. You can update the shipping cost, add discounts, or combine multiple items into a single invoice if the buyer purchased more than one item. Make sure all the information is accurate, including item price, shipping charges, and total amount. You can also include a message to the buyer if needed. Once everything looks correct, click on the Send Invoice button. The buyer will receive a notification and can complete the payment using the updated invoice. If you don't see the option to send an invoice, it could be because the buyer has already paid or the listing was set to require immediate payment. In this tutorial, we learned how to send an invoice on eBay by accessing sold items, selecting the order, adjusting details, and sending the invoice to the buyer. This helps ensure smooth transactions and clear communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.